Hi, I'm Harold Ewing, the EBC Construction. As you see in the video, we've already pumped the field cells in the retaining wall. We used a 2-inch line pump. We used 3,000 PSI pump mix. We filled all the cells up. We filled the columns. We centered all our rebar in our field cells, so when we go up vertically with the next lift of masonry, everything's straight.
So how are you going to go again?
We're going to go to the top will be 18 foot. The intermediate will be 12 foot.
So 12 and then 18.
That's right.
So here's the infinity dealer, and we're going to go to 18 foot.
So tomorrow or Monday, this is Friday, so Monday we'll come back and we'll strip all these patches off the walls, off the field cells.
Okay.
And then we will start the backfill, pull this dirt in behind the wall and fill everything up. We'll end up putting a piece of plywood, a perimeter ribbon on here will be the top of the slab, and we're going to backfill, compact, get our densities, put our poison, put our wire mesh and visqueen down, and get an inspection to pour the slab, which will be the finished floor the same height as the inside of the building.
Inside of the building, as you can see over there.
Floor.
See, that's the inside of the building. That's the height. As you probably can see in the video, there's some dirt here blocking your view, but over there, so it's gonna get the same height.
That's correct. And that takes us to the next step. This was the real easy part, filling it full of concrete. And the most difficult part is just scheduling it out.
And that's one of the services provided by EBC Constructions here in South Florida, amongst so many other services provided. It's so the service that amongst the list of services that EBC Construction Services offers. So what type of services did you offer here in this particular project?
This particular project, we're offering our shell contracting experience and service. We're taking the tie-in, it's an addition, a remodel, a revamp, a new facade on this particular car dealership. Infinity of Coconut Creek. We're offering them, we're doing the shell work, we're going to do the concrete footers, we're going to do the masonry, we're going to do the slab.
Each one of them.
We're going to do the first floor of masonry, and then we're going to do the second floor of masonry. We're going to help install all the hardware that it takes to hold up all the structural steel with all the storefront glass that's going to be installed to finish the project.
And you mentioned just a few of the services provided by EBC Construction Services. There are many, many more. Could you provide could you say some of the other services provided by EBC Construction Services?
Yes, we're a general contractor. We do additions, we do remodels, we do driveways, sidewalks, pool decks. We'll do demo work. We'll do commercial, residential, and custom. Anything, any type of construction, we'll do it. We provide a service with the owners. We'll take you to the architect. We'll help you design, build, whatever it is you're looking to do. We give you a preliminary budget. We can help you organize the plans and organize the proper procedures in order to get the permitted set of plans to you that we could build off of.
So again, for more information on the service provided by EBC Construction, just see the website on the screen, which is shellcontractorflorida.com. Thanks so much, Mr. Harold.
You got it. Thank you.
Take
Give
care.
us a call. Thank you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, definitely. And what is your direct line?
My direct line is 561-287-0583. Give us a call. I'd like to hear from you.
Okay, the number on the screen, and that number again, so the customer can take a note and call you.
287-0583.
Okay.
Give us a call.
Excellent.
We're not the biggest, but we're the best.
Take care.
Thank you.